Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This right here in front of me is the Honda Civic, the bread and butter of Honda. And it is also the crush and the dream car of all the motorheads in our country.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined, cause I feel I got the blessing.
In the front, we can see LED headlamps with DRLs. These are the DRLs, and একটা fog lamp আছে এখানে LED, সামনে blacked out grill, and if you come to the side, we can see that it has a 17-inch rims wrapped around with Bridgestone Turanza tires, and these are all-weather tires, which is really good for our country and our climate. এরপর পাশে we get winker mirrors which are auto folding as well, and যদি পিছনে দেখি, পিছনে we have a shark fin antenna, high mount stop lamp, and LED tail lamps. Our niche, there's no fake diffuser or fake exhaust going on, and you also get a reflector here. Let's look at the trunk. You get a huge trunk, and it comes with a space saver spare tire, which is always appreciated over tire inflator kits, and সাথে tools ও চলে আসে, as you can see, and it has a huge trunk space, মানে অনেক deep. And এখান থেকে, if you want, you can fold down the seats. If you pull on this, the seats will fold down, and you can get additional storage. Now let's check out the engine. This is the engine bay, and Honda engine একটা জিনিস ভালো লাগে, that is কোনো engine cover নাই, the engine is raw and open. So this engine right here is a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine which produces 178 PS of power and 240 Newton meters of torque. And this is a 4-cylinder engine, very simple engine. You can see the fuel injectors here, you can see the coolant here, coolant reservoir এখানে, brake oil এখানে, engine oil এখানে, air filter এখানে, map sensor, battery, ঠিক আছে, and এই grillটাও is quite huge, which lets in a lot of air, so the engine cools properly, and এদিকে air duct দিয়ে ভালো বাতাস feed in হয় engine. So this is a very powerful and reliable engine. Now let's take a look at the interior. So you don't get power seats here, but you get perforated leather seats, which is nice. So as I start up the car, we can see a half digital and half analog display. A digital display that you can get all your messages or information regarding the car. Have fuel low, safety support. You get forward collision mitigation and road departure mitigation as well, যেগুলো টার্ন অফ করে রাখা যায়। and এখানে হচ্ছে mirror controls, side mirror controls, window controls, central lock. And the fun thing about this car is এখানে driver side central lock আছে, passenger side central lock আছে, which is really good. এখানে হচ্ছে আপনার meter brightness বাড়ানো কমানো যায়, নবটা, which is helpful. Knobs are always appreciated. এখানে হচ্ছে আপনার safety sensing on off, all right, button, very easy, like you press the button, you turn it off, forward collision mitigation system is off. So simple as that. And the whole cockpit surrounds the driver. It has a driver focused cockpit, and you get paddle shifters here. It is equipped with a CVT gearbox, which is very responsive. You get a huge infotainment system. It comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you can also listen to music through Bluetooth or USB, whichever you prefer. এখানে AC on off knob আছে, and the honeycomb grill design is like timeless, like retro vibes. এরপর এখানে হচ্ছে টেম্পারেচার কন্ট্রোলস, এখানে টেম্পারেচার কন্ট্রোলস বিকজ ডুয়াল জোন ক্লাইমেট কন্ট্রোল আসে। এই যে এই নব দিয়ে ইউ ক্যান ইনক্রিজ আর ডিক্রিজ দ্য স্পিড। এসি বাটন, এসি অন অফ, ভেরি সিম্পল টু ইউজ। এখানে পাওয়ার আউটলেট আছে, এখানে দুইটা ইউএসবি পোর্ট আছে। ইউ গেট ওয়্যারলেস চার্জার হিয়ার, ঠিক আছে? সো you place your phone here and it charges wirelessly, and it comes with ambient light as well, like white কিছু ambient light আছে এই যে সাইডে। এখানে white light doesn't change, but something's better than nothing. You get two cup holders here, very convenient. You get an armrest here, you get electronic parking brake, brake hold, you get drive modes. You can select drive modes from here, like normal, sport, eco. So তিনটা ড্রাইভ মোডে আসে। অ্যান্ড উপরে you get vanity mirrors here, ঠিক আছে? Here, this one also comes with vanity mirrors. You get a microphone here for voice calls. You get a sunglass holder because you're really cool, you drive a Civic, and you probably wear sunglasses. So yeah, sunglass holder here. এরপর here's the sunroof, যেটা JDM ভার্সনে আসে না, বাট ব্র্যান্ড নিউ ইউনিটসগুলোতে আসে, which like tilts and also opens, which is nice. Like রাতের বেলা লং ড্রাইভে গেলে, oh, the views, nice. And এখানে হচ্ছে room lights আসে, which are LEDs. So that's all for the front seat. Now let's hop into the rear seat. So সামনের সিটটা all the way back ছিল, একদম পিছনে ছিল, but still like I can sit comfortably here. তাও লেগ স্পেস আছে। এই সিটটা কিন্তু একদম পিছনে ছিল, এর পিছনে আর আসে না সিট। সো হিয়ার ইউ গেট আর্মরেস্ট, কাপ হোল্ডার্স, প্লেন্টি অফ লেগ রুম, অ্যান্ড রুম লাইট। ইউ গেট লাইক স্পিকার্স হিয়ার, সামনেও স্পিকার্স আছে, টুইটার্স আছে। দ্য সাউন্ড সিস্টেম ইজ অলসো গুড, pretty nice. Like rear seat, very spacious, very nice. And let's take a walk around the car. এই যে পিছনে LED tail lamps and সামনে headlamps LED, fog lamps LED. This car is a looker and it's a stunner. Very nice, very beautiful. So if you like this sort of content, make sure to let me know. And that's all for today. আজকের জন্য ভিডিও শেষ। খোদা হাফেজ। লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার, সাবস্ক্রাইব, and do whatever you want to do. Peace.